Hello everybody. This is Kids Toddlers Babies, and today you got a surprise for me again.
Yay! Lily, take it off.
I kept doing that, but I did it like one time.
Okay. So, what is this?
That's a stable.
It's called Riding Arena.
Oh.
So this little girl, she wants to take a part in tournament. So she and her course are practicing jumping to the
Okay,
obstacles.
which can I try?
Yeah.
I want to show you everybody.
Are you going to try the riding? Woo! Good job. Can we show the touch? Woo! My little jumper.
Oh!
I don't know what you did, but you jump. Can we show a little bit
I
quickly?
hear my elbow of this.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So this is. Oh man. Okay, let's show everything to everybody. So guys, this is the roof. It has
I'm inside. I'm inside, guys.
Lily's inside.
I am inside.
So guys, all the windows are lifting. It was really easy to assemble. Okay, get out.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you box.
E.
So this is the box for the toy, and this is all what is inside the toy. It's by Schleich. This is the horse with
Mommy,
the
look
rider.
at me.
You can remove the rider, and it's a very pretty girl. You can see she has a ponytail. She's really dressed professionally for the horse riding. And
Look at me, Mommy.
here is a horse. The horse has a saddle, and the saddle is removable. And you can see the stirrups are attached to the saddle. And then the horse has a nylon harness. And then also the bridle is removable, which is really cool.
Look at me, Mommy.
You can put the rider in the saddle. You can put her legs in the stirrups. And then you can even put the bridle in her hands if you want
Look,
to.
I opened the
So
windows.
it's really
I
cute.
open the windows, Mommy.
Wow, that's nice. And then you can remove the saddle and then her halter, and the horse halter, and put it to the different horse if you have different Schleich horse. So this is the part of the set. Over here we have ball of straw, or I like to call it hay. And
This is a hay.
you can call it ball of straw too, but yeah.
No, just call it
And
hay.
then this, I find it on the website, it's called halt, but somebody told me that it's better to call it leading rope. So we can call it the leading rope. You can put it on the horse, and then it's like if you want to take it for a walk.
Look, the carrot's jumping.
And then this is very nice blanket. And you have a Velcro over here, so you can cover your horse. Oh, Lily's already jumping. Oh, Carrot is jumping.
Yeah.
You have a bunch of carrots.
Now the hay's
And
jumping.
This is a fence. It's pretty long, nice fence. I believe it's 10 pieces fence. Let's see. Yeah, it's 10 pieces fence. And this over here, it's 3 piece. So this is obstacle for the girl to train. This is her jump set, and it's 2 of them. Okay. Lily removed the riding area for you guys so you could see better. You want to show them how you're going to practice? Yes. Woohoo! She's doing saltos in the air. I never seen that before in my life. That the horses can do it. This is really amazing riding, and even more amazing horse. Then what is ball of straw is doing here? You want to remove the saddle?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is how you take it off.
Oh, yay! And you want to do the...
Blinky.
Yeah, do you want to take its halter? You want to take... Oh, you want to take the halters from the horse too?
Sure. I know how to do it.
You know how to do it?
Yeah. Like last time. See?
Yeah! So what I want to show you guys, we can put this saddle.
I want to put this on. I want to put this.
You want to put the saddle on this horse?
I can do it.
Okay, and then I will put the halter, okay?
Okay. When I'm done with this.
So Lily's putting the... Okay.
Oh, really?
You need a help?
Nope. They're really, really, really tight.
Okay. So this is Frisian horse. It's beautiful, the black one. And has a beautiful, beautiful mane and long tail. Okay, is it tight enough?
Yep.
Okay, then I put the halter, okay?
Okay.
Because Lily has a problem putting halter on. So this is the halter. I'm going to show you how to put it really easy on the horse. And let's try if the set works for other horses. You see, it's like it's elastic. This is elastic. Feels like a rubber bander a little bit. So we have the Frisian horse. You want to try?
Sure.
Try this one? Yeah.
Now she has a new horse.
Yeah, now she has a new horse. Isn't it awesome?
Yeah.
This is a really, really cool set.
Look, she got so.
Yay!
Unless the other one didn't do.
Lily, do you like this set?
Yes. I
Yeah.
love this set.
Yes, I'm very happy. And then guys, another surprise for you. We got a couple days ago the Schleich Playmat. And you see how it's look like over here. This is our first part for it. But if you stay tuned with my channels, in the next few months, I'm going to put all of this and this
Why can I put
here. So I need to have a stable, I need to have wash area, car. So once I got it, I'm going to be showing them on the video. So stay tuned in my channel to see how the mat will look like. And I'm going to show you mat right now with the first piece. Here is the entire play mat. As you see, it's like a carpet, so it's really cool to play on. So here you can put a stable. We have also barn, we put it earlier. And here is a fence. You can put real fence on it. Here's a little lake or pond. Here's a practicing area where you see obstacles, which is really, really cool. And here you can put a horse wash area here. So it's really, really nice. And we're going to put our first piece for this mat we have. I put the riding arena here. As you see, it's pretty empty. Lily, how you like it?
I love it.
Yay!
Yeah.
You did it! Yay! Lily put all the ponies in the place where they belong.
One horsey.
Okay, do you have more horses?
Yes,
Yes, you do. Yes. You have a beautiful riding horse.
They both the same.
They look alike. Can I have more riders? So you guys see Lily behind has a little stable over there. And she has more horses and more riders.
Hi, how you doing? Good. I need ride my horsey, please. Can I ride my horsey, mommy?
Yes.
Yeah, yours is bigger. But look at the size. This one's bigger, this one's smaller.
Okay, can I show one of the new horses you're showing to the camera? This is the first horse. We have it with the stable set from Papo. So this is the little girl with the backpack. She's riding on it. And this is the horse. Really cute.
Look, she's on a new horse.
Alrighty, but this one doesn't have a saddle. What if she's going to fall down?
No, she's not. Look, you see her fall out?
No.
Oh, she fell out.
Okay. And can I see the other horse now? This one?
Okay.
This one looks like a lady, grown-up lady here, the jockey.
Yeah, I think she's a
And
mommy
then-
for all the kids.
Okay, you think she's a mommy? Hi, my friend. Look,
Nice to meet you.
Look, this is my new horsey.
This is my old horsey. I brought it from friends here. So,
Okay, his name is Sparkle. What is your horse's name?
Master Steve.
Majesty, that's a beautiful name. Can you show me your farm first?
Sure. Look, this is a little lake.
And I see the lake is here in the boat. How cute.
You come on our barn?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. This is my daddy.
Oh, and what is here?
There's ducks.
Oh, how cool. Let's go further.
Let's go to the look, see?
Oh, ponies. And you have baby pony. How cute. This is beautiful. And look over here. What is here?
Apples on it.
Apples on the tree and the riding arena. Can you show me your barn with other animals?
Sure. Get in. Get out of the post. Okay. Wow, this is cool. I had this place before, but with a new color.
Okay. Now I take the camera.
I do. Ooh.
So what you have here? I see doggies and kitties. And I see cow.
And this is how it looks like. You see my kitty? He's very sleepy. Oh, hi.
Oh.
Hi.
Hello.
Meow. 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 Someone obstacles. Yeah, that way. But first let's go to the doors so our pets won't get out.
Okay.
My horse is bigger than yours.
It's okay.
That's okay. So I might be okay. I don't hurt my feelings sometimes.
Okay. So guys, here are the obstacles over here. Let's put them.
So can we go running today? Oh sure. Let's go. Let's go. I think I'm scared for this. Whoa!
Yay! First to go.
Woo!
Good job. You made it.
Ding ding ding! I'm going. My horse is not. Woo! Woo!
Good job.
She fell down.
Okay. So how you like it?
I like it.
Is it cool?
Yeah. Can I go home now? Sure, you can go home.
Bye bye.
I can see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Like my videos. Subscribe and thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.